안녕하세요. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use subway lockers in Korean. It is convenient when you want to leave your belongings somewhere safe while exploring the city. Let's get started. First, you will need an app called T-Locker. In Korean, it is called 또타라커. Go to your app store, search for T-Locker, and download it. Once it is installed, open the app and tap the QR scan button. Scan the QR code on the locker station. Choose the locker you want to use. Select your usage method. Review the payment details. Choose your payment method. Agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap Pay. Select the option you want. Enter the required information. Tap Next. Choose the currency you want to pay in. Tap the Pay button. You will see a quick guide on how to use. Read it if you'd like. Now head to the locker you selected. Enter the one-time passcode on the keypad. Once you enter it, the locker will open. Put your items inside. Close the door. It will lock automatically. Check the app. When you're ready to get your stuff, open the T-Locker app again. Scan the same QR code. Select the locker you used. Tap Takeout. Confirm by tapping Yes and the service. Read the how to use instructions. Go to your locker, enter the one-time passcode. The locker will open. Take your things out. Close the door. It will lock automatically. Check the app to make sure everything is complete. Now you know how to use subway lockers in Korea. It is simple, convenient, and helpful when you are on the go. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. 감사합니다.